Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn building grow effect in Adobe After Effects. And we use Photoshop also. So let's get started. First we import a video. Then we change the timeline header to first frame. Then we go to render queue. And press Ctrl+M, then we click on best settings and press OK. Then we go to the output module. And change the format is JPEG sequence. And press OK. Then we save the image to a right folder and save it. Then we open a Photoshop. And import the image. So first we click on Pen tool and create a mask around the image. Make sure your image will be selected. After create a mask, we right-click on mask. And go to the Make selection. Change the feather radius 0.2. And click on OK. And we got a selection. Then we press a Ctrl+J, and we got a separate layer of selection. In short we got a building selection. It means we remove a background. And the next step we create a duplicate layer of original plat. And rename is original clean plat. Then we press Ctrl key and click on mask layer. And we get back to the selection. To the expand selection. We click on select and go to the modify. And click on expand and press 5 and OK. Then we right-click on selection. And go to fill. And in contents, content aware. Then click on OK. Next we need to one more layer. Go to the select and click on inverse. Then we click on layer mask icon. Then we select eraser tool. And we will erase the top of the building. And it's done. And we need to decided layer of building. Then we off the visibility of all layer except mask layer. Then select a layer mask. And we using a pan tool create a one layer. Then again right-click on it and go to the Make selection. And click on OK. Then we press Ctrl+J. And we get a one layer. We changed the name of base 1. Then we using a same method to create a second, third and fourth layer. After the masking of the whole layer is completed, we will turn on and off the visibility of all the layers and check. Then we save the file. And go to the After Effects, and import the Photoshop file. Then we import choose a composition, and layer option is editable layer style. And click on OK. Then we import a Photoshop file on a timeline. Then we open to double-click on it. And press P. Then we add a first keyframe of position. After 5 frame add a second keyframe. Then we hide the position. So let's started animate the first layer. First we off all layers of visibility. Accept clean plate layer and base 1 layer. Then we click on base 1 layer, and press P. To change the position. Then we change the first keyframe of vertical axis. Then first keyframe change into easy out, and second keyframe change into easy in. For the smooth animation. Then we animate the second layer. We turn on second layer of visibility, and press P. Drag the second layer. Place it to the first frame end of the key. We want my second layer, round to up. There is something problem. We see it. So we layer 0 put it on top, and fix the problem. And we all animate the layer. With the same process. Then we right-click on mouse, add an adjustment layer. And we go to the effect and search wiggle. And drag and drop to adjustment layer. Then we changed the wiggle speed. On second frame we put 1 and set key, then 4 frame we put 15, and 6 frame we put 0. Then we changed the wiggle amount 25. Then we go to the composition and changed the value of scale 105. Then we split the layer according to us. And manage the video. And it's done. We successfully create a building grow effect in After Effects.